AC71 by HGR Arquitectos in Mexico City, Mexico. AC71 is a 3-story, 5-apartment residential building located at Augusto Conte No. 71 in the Anzures neighborhood in Mexico City. The project is planned on a 509 square meters plot of land in a very quiet and central neighborhood of the city. The main objective of the project was to achieve highly efficient units in which there was the least amount of meters wasted. For this, a concrete cube was proposed with different openings that managed to give movement to the facades. The volumetric design is formed through 3 longitudinal axes of apparent dueled concrete that form a box that, although it may appear relatively solid, has large openings used as terraces for each unit. To promote the privacy of the building, the volume is set back from the street, leaving a garden area that separates the road from the building. Pedestrian access occurs through this area, generating a path that aims to make your first experience when entering the building be surrounded by vegetation. The apartments are distributed between the private and the public, having an intermediate area that manages to give the bedrooms the necessary privacy. All spaces have terraces or balconies allowing spacious windows, but having privacy thanks to the fact that all the openings are recessed from the facade. The use of materials was something of utmost importance for the project. The idea was to have a very warm atmosphere, for which a range of materials and tones were used that favored this. Exposed concrete with brown pigmentation, engineered floors, and wooden railings achieve this warm effect sought in the project. AC71 is a project that achieves a great balance of simplicity between the volume and the spaces obtained inside.